What is up, gamers? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Cabin Crew Simulator. Um, yeah. So why don't we go get on the plane now? Let's go through. Oh, geez, let's check right here. Yep. Oh, geez. There we go. Good. Now, wait. I'm setting. Yeah. So lobby music. I do not know if it's copyrighted. But today we're gonna be taking Boeing 737 over to Honolulu, Hawaii. And we can have 3 multiplayer, no players. There we go. Let's go with this video. It's loading, guys. Give it a second. Yep. No, we're not going to proceed to boarding yet. We got that for blue light on. There you go. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Welcome. Welcome aboard. 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 Wait, was that Cookie Monster? Welcome aboard. 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 Another Cookie Monster. Wait. Because there's only one flight attendant, we really don't have to show the. Oh, keep that open. Guys, this game is in alpha on Roblox called Cabin Crew Simulator. This is 50 robots. Crap. You have to be right underneath of it. Click on it and then. Isn't it letting me close it? Show lavatory, no lights in the lavatories. Stop, good. So guys, yeah, we're not allowed to sit in the, I have to sit up front because I'm the hostess of the flight today. Close the cabin door.
As we get ready to take off, let's talk about safety. Anything you've carried on today should be put away, either overhead or under the seat in front of you. And please make sure any electronics are turned off during taxi, takeoff, and landing.
Seatbelt first.
If you haven't already, fasten your seatbelt. Insert the metal fitting into the buckle and be sure to pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To remove it, pull on the top of the buckle. You must keep your seatbelt fastened when the fasten seatbelt sign is on.
Toggle through it.
And just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you're in your seat. Federal law requires that you follow all lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. Remember, all flights are non-smoking, and it's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Just pull the mask towards you to start the oxygen flow. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and slip the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Be sure to put on your mask before helping others. Don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Oxygen will flow automatically. Next, we're going to show you where the exits are located. Here are the 8 exit doors on this Boeing. If needed, there is exit path lighting to guide you to the doors. Please find the exit doors closest to you. And remember, they may be behind you. All doors have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When you exit, go down the slide and move away from the plane. In case of a water evacuation, these 6 slides detach and be used as rafts.
Yeah, 5, 6. Also, life jackets. If the plane were to go into water, you guys really need to put your life jackets on. Thank you. Now I'm just gonna go back up to the front, close the curtain. We'll open it back up, but then close it during meal service. We are ready. Oh, I accidentally turned that on. Go. For departure, let's go. I like the scenery. You look out the window, scenery. Gonna wait till they give us their report, because if it's turbulent. Probably gonna be a little bit turbulent. Oh, I like. Now we're gonna do drinks first, and then we're gonna come back there and do snacks. Normally, I would have another flight attendant, like my brother, come in here. Because now we don't have to go up here and check. So. See? Orange juice, yes, we would used to have to do that. Now we just have the chat bar down below. Sometimes I'd have to do this, but I still have to. You asked for a Sprite. I gave you a Sprite. Are you trying to be a Karen? Hey, Karen. Gave you the drink the first time. Why are people spamming my phone? Also, if you guys did not know, 737 MAX just got certified to fly again. American just put it back in their fleet. Southwest and United are waiting to put it back. They're waiting for some more updates. I'm a little bit hesitant to fly on it. Families that lost their people, families that lost their children, wives, husbands, daughters, they are never gonna fly on it again. And they really wanted to take it out of service. Like, it's been grounded for 20 months in software updates. You're really not gonna say that it's safe? I do not, like, I would used to spell a beverage, but, like, all I have to do is do, drink. So that's what my brother found. No, we're just gonna use it down here. We have to chat with them. You just go to the chat and not have to see. This is what I don't like. I wish it was an emergency flight. Oh, keep you out the window. So that's technically pointless if you do all that in chat, do it here. You don't have to press a chat down there. I'm gonna try to use my controller that I got for Christmas. Why isn't it working? Okay, I'm just gonna be like, how do I get into the chat again? Oh yeah, chat. Oh my gosh, you know guys? I really do not want to finish this flight. It's like too much. Cabin's not ready for arrival. You guys, I'm gonna go. Gosh.